Hi, Dr. Alex Touchstone here. Welcome back to CADCAMCAN.com and our series on the new Compass software. We're going to join Glenn Freeman as he shows us how to utilize the features in the software in order to verify proper placement for our implants.
Next, we go to our final screen, which is our implant task. What it does here now is it's going to give us our view of yeah, there we go. So what it does, it gives us a view. I thought I'd lost you again. So we've got some screens here. We've got our skull showing our restoration embedded. We've got our E4G data showing our restoration setup, okay, that we've already designed. You've got your nerve canal here, obviously prominently displayed. And then, of course, you've got the side views here on the CT scan. And all we do now, first thing we do is select an implant. What would you normally use, Alex?
Let's use Astra.
Astra, okay. And they're all in here. So we'll select an Astra. And what it does is it drops down all of the available implant models in STL format, and it just drops it in there for you into a place that it thinks is probably going to be optimum for you. Okay. Now straight away you'll see it's just given you an optimum location, okay, of what it thinks. And now looking at the restoration, you've got your Hounsfield unit here as well. So you can watch both. Okay, so you're looking at all of these at the same time. And you can see now, obviously, I'm no expert on placement of implants. You'll do a much better job on this. I'll just show you how you can actually move it and place it in tools. So all you do is, I'm going to move my implant because I want to get this into bone and make sure that I've got a decent lock. Okay, so I can position this by moving in. If I move outside my circle, again, I can rotate it. Alright? And using these two views, so I've got my top-down view and my two side views, I can basically position this anywhere I want. Okay? And then I can obviously I want deep purple, so I want to make sure that I've got full lock as well. Okay? So maybe this one, taking a look at it, so this guy might be a little bit small, so we might want to make him a bit longer. Okay? Or shorter, depending on what you want. So you can actually change all your implants on the fly. Alright? Mm-hmm. Now, once you've got your optimum position, I can actually look at my restoration, and can you see the abutment dimensions are showing up in here as well? And what I can do is I can zoom in on this guy, and I can say, you know what, this ain't going to work. So we need to raise this up, okay? And also, maybe I want to adjust my radius.
Are you right-clicking? Glenn, are you right-clicking to do that?
No, I'm left-clicking. So what I'm doing is I'm right-clicking. I'm right-clicking to move on my model.
Okay.
Okay? And then what I'm doing is to select it, I'm left-clicking in that area, okay, so that it can grab it. So if I click there, what I'm going to do is I want to click on this cone height, and I want to raise that as well, okay? And you can see now it's giving me these dimensions so that when you want to select your abutment, you can use these dimensions to make your optimum choice. Okay, or you may need to customize it. I mean, that's up to you. You can also angle it over, Alex, okay, and I can rotate this.
Very nice.
So if you needed to do an angled abutment, you can just I'm just left mouse button clicking along the bottom of the implant. You can see it's just rotating it around.